Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to make bulling cables and make splicing. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, what is bulling? Bulling is a mechanical process that joins two or more cables together by tightly clamping them with a metal fitting called a bulling connector. It is commonly used in low-voltage applications such as home theater systems, surveillance cameras, network cabling, and other similar applications. The main advantage of bulling is that it can be easily installed without any special tools or equipment, and it provides a reliable connection that can last for many years. Now let's see how to make a bulling cable. First of all, strip about 1 inch of the outer jacket of both cables that are going to be connected. Be careful not to damage the insulation of the inner conductors. Next, take the bare ends of the cables and twist them together in a clockwise direction. This will ensure that the strands of the cables are tightly bound together when they are crimped. Twist the bare ends of the cables tightly. Twisting the wires together tightly will ensure a good mechanical connection between the two cables. The twisting should be done in a clockwise direction so that the strands of the wire stay together when the connector is crimped on. Now, take the bulling connector and slide it onto the twisted bare ends of the cables. Make sure that the connector is positioned correctly and that the twisted section is completely inside the connector. Now, take the crimping tool and crimp down on the connector. Crimp the connector firmly, but do not overcrimp as this can damage the connector and the cables. A proper crimp will ensure a good mechanical connection between the connector and the cables. Now let's see how to make a splice using the bulling connector. First of all, strip about 1 inch of the outer jacket of the cable that needs to be spliced. Next, take the bare end of the cable and insert it into the bulling connector. Make sure that the bare end is completely inside the connector and that it is touching the metal prongs. Repeat the same process for the other two cables. Now take the crimping tool and crimp down on the connector. Crimp the connector firmly, but do not overcrimp, as this can damage the connector and the cables. There are two types of bulling connectors, one for solid core cables and the other for stranded core cables. In this video, we have used a bulling connector that can be used for both types of cables. Before crimping the connector, make sure that the type of bulling connector you are using is compatible with the cables you are connecting. Now let's see the applications of bulling. It is commonly used in low-voltage applications such as home theater systems, surveillance cameras, network cabling, and other similar applications. It is also used in industrial applications where a reliable connection is required between two or more cables. Now let's see some of the advantages of using bulling. It is a simple and easy method of joining cables together. It can be easily installed without any special tools or equipment. It provides a reliable connection that can last for many years. It is a cost-effective solution for joining cables together. Now let's see some of the disadvantages of bulling. It is not suitable for high-voltage applications. It can be difficult to remove the connector from the cables if they are not properly installed. It is not recommended to use bulling connectors for outdoor applications. So this was all about bulling. I hope you have learned something new in this video. If you liked the video, then hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel. We will come up with more interesting videos in the future. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.